Hey there. Okay, so I get a lot of questions asked about how I do my Beehive hairstyle. It's pretty much like one of my go-to hairstyles for every day. And it's really, really simple to do. And so I figured I'd just go ahead and do a tutorial on it. The things you're gonna need are a rat tail comb, a hairbrush, any kind of hairbrush, hairspray. I use Gatsby Glue. It actually works really, really well, and it's pretty cheap. You can buy it at Walmart for, I believe, like $4 or $5. And then just some regular bobby pins, as well as a flat iron and a curling iron if you want to curl some of your hair in the back. I like to flat iron the front of my hair, so from the crown forward, just because it makes teasing easier and it helps my hair look a little smoother. So I already went ahead and did that, and I flat iron it backwards. I take like a piece of my hair like in the back, and instead of going down the side of my head, I go back, just to help add the volume in my hair. To help add volume, even though I'm going to be teasing anyways. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and brush out your hair. Okay. And then you're going to go take a section right at the crown and go back about an inch. So you've got a good little section here, like that. Okay. And then I like to split that into two. So just go ahead and give that a super, super good tease. I like to tease both sides of it, of that piece of hair. And then just go ahead and spray the base. And then just continue to tease your hair, especially in the crown. And then go to the side, just a little bit. Go to the side and tease all of that as well. And make sure you really get the teasing in there so that your hairstyle stays. And then do it again on the other side. I usually take like a diagonal section. Of hair, but and then right before I get to my hairline, I leave a chunk of hair there to cover everything. But then the piece of hair that I tease right before that, I don't tease the backside. I only tease the backside, not the front side. And like I said, just continue teasing your hair, and you can tease it more or less. The more you tease your hair, obviously, the bigger it'll be. But whenever, like I said earlier, whenever you do tease it, you want to make sure that you get the teasing in really, really well, or else the hairstyle could fall. I live in Portland, so I like to use as much hairspray and as much teasing as possible to help fight some of the humidity and also the rain, because that is like my finger's worst enemy. And then you just go ahead and take the front piece that you didn't tease and just comb the bangs, watch out for the bangs, and just comb it all back over everything. And then in the back, once you have all your hair gathered, you can twist it a little bit, just like that, and then push it forward and pin it into place with however many bobby pins that you feel would be necessary. You don't have to use, I use about between 4 to 6, depending on how long I want it to last. So, just go ahead and just continue to pin to the point where you feel, or it feels secure to your hair, like it's not really going to move that much. Okay. And then lightly comb it, or if you have a bristle hairbrush, they work really well as well to help smooth hairs. And with the rat tail comb, if it looks a little uneven, just go in with this end of your hair and just pull it out a little bit. Less is more in this case, because you can always pull more out, but then you're going to have to go in and fix it if you pull too much hair out. Okay. And then just go ahead and give it a really, really good spray. Make sure you spray the back as well. And then you can, with the rest of the hair that's in the back, you can kind of do whatever you want. A lot of times I'll go ahead and put the ponytail. And just when you put it in the ponytail, just gently grab the hair that's left and just pull it up like that. Or you can curl it. A lot of times I put it up in a ponytail and wrap a bandana around it. But it's really, really simple, quick, and it usually lasts a pretty long time. I actually slept in one, and it didn't really move. So as long as you tease it well and use a ton of hairspray, it should be pretty cool. Okay, in the next couple of days, I'm probably going to do a bang tutorial as well, because I get a ton of people asking me how I do my bangs. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll probably be doing another hair tutorial here pretty soon, as well as several company reviews and hauls. So keep an eye out for those. And if you have any questions, comments, whatever, just go ahead and leave comments down below.